Earlier today, we went to one of the biggest, if not the biggest, training of 2021, and it is called Filipino Homes Coffee Break. It was presided by our very own President and CEO, Boss Anthony Luterio, and it was held in Citadines Baseline in Cebu City. It is where he talked about sustainable leadership, how we can lead our team or my organization, my specific organization, how I can lead it to success. It was a very, shall I say, an eye-opening training. I did not expect it to be that good. Well, every training by Boston is very good, but that one, but I cannot divulge it here. I can only talk about it, or I can only speak about it to my organization, to my teammates. So what we are here, what we will be talking about today is why you should select a pre-selling property. Pre-selling property. Last Monday, April 5, we opened Casamira Homes or MOC. We opened it for selling, although it was about 4 months in the making. On December 2020, we started receiving letters of intent. And last April 5, we converted that letters of intent to reservations. I made several sales, and although I did some sales, there were a ton more of inquiries, and it stopped when I told them that this project is pre-selling and that there is no model unit yet and nothing can be seen on site, on the location of the subdivision. They got turned off, and I'm wondering why that is. And it basically boils down to education. Now, what do I mean by that? People are so bent on buying real estate properties that are already there. They can see it there. What they don't understand is they cannot afford it. Sorry for being blunt, but they cannot afford ready for occupancy properties. Here is the irony. When they see the price of my ads, of my posts on every social media network, they expected that price to be already ready for occupancy. $80 per month or 4,000 pesos per month. They expect that to be the monthly payment of a ready for occupancy unit. And that is wrong. Based on my research, all over the world, Philippines is one of the few countries that offer pre-selling projects. It is a way for the government, for the developers to allow Filipinos to own a house that is not too heavy on the pocket. And this house that we bought was pre-selling. Marge immediately took the opportunity to buy this house, even though she hasn't been to this location. She did not see where this is. She did not know more details about this. All she knew then was that this was affordable. And it was one of the best things that she did for this family, to give us or to initiate owning a home. It only took us about 3 years of paying for the down payment before we were able to move in. And the 3 years came by so fast. You cannot feel it almost because you're too busy making a career for yourself. And at the same time, there's that dream that in a few months or in a few years, you already have a house, which is the result of making it for yourself in the career that you're trying to make. I hope if it is still a bit confusing why you should choose pre-selling and not go for ready for occupancy, please do ask me, please do comment down below, and let's talk about it. Despite the fact that you are only making this much or this much, let's find the property that suits that budget. And as far as I know, most inquiries, most of you guys are young, 24, 25, 26, not making that much, but wanted a house. And the perfect house for you is, of course, a pre-selling property. The biggest difference when you compare pre-selling and ready for occupancy is the down payment. I've been saying this. The down payment is being paid in 2, 3, 4 years because it is pre-selling. During the time, 2, 3, 4 years, during the time of payment, the house is being built. So for example, year 1 is 100,000 worth of down payment, year 2 is 200,000 total, year 3, 300,000 pesos in down payment. So you break that down into 12, 10,000 per month for the first year, 10,000 per month for the second year, 10,000 per month for the third year, or more, just a light estimation. However, if you decide to go for ready for occupancy, the 3 years will be shrunk into 1 day, and you will pay that 300,000 right there and then. So that's the biggest difference. So go for pre-selling. Go for it. Go. This is your chance. If you have more questions, if you have inquiries, please comment down below and connect with me on all my social media. See you. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.